How do you like your food, Zach? Yeah, do you like your food? Say yummy, yummy food in my tummy. What are you trying to say? You're a good talker, Zach. Yeah? Do you like your rice cereal? Yeah? Is your rice cereal good? Do you like being in your high chair? Yeah? Like a big boy, huh? Say yummy, yummy, I got food in my tummy. Want to show everyone how good you eat? So here we go. Boom! Look at that! Good job! That was a good job, Zach. You're a good little eater. Pretty much finished your whole bowl. There was a lot in there. Yummy. Yummy. Yummy in my tummy. Are we done talking now? Say all done. All done. Bye-bye.